Hello everyone. In our video 1 of Introduction to Sociology, we have covered the topics meaning, nature, scope and importance of sociology we have discussed. Now next we will deal with the early Western sociologists. In this we will learn about them Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim and Max Weber. We will see about them in detail. First, we will see about Auguste Comte, 1798 to 1857. Auguste Comte is an important French philosopher. He is the first social philosopher. He is called as the father of sociology. He studies society scientifically and provided the status of science for sociology. These efforts of Auguste Comte was strongly supported by Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber and others. Comte used the word sociology for the first time while delivering a public lecture on positive philosophy. He is generally known as Auguste Comte. He was born in southern France on 19 January 1798 in a Catholic family. He completed his studies in Imperial School. He later taught at École Polytechnique College. His major contributions are Positive Philosophy 1839, Positive Polity 1851, Human Religion 1857. Auguste Comte, who wrote many other important books on sociology, died on 5 September 1857 at the age of 59 years. Now next, we will see about the Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883. Karl Marx is an important social thinker of the world, repute of 19th century CE. He was a political revolutionary, clever organizer and a sensitive writer. Karl Marx is called as the founder of class struggle theory. His thoughts on working class and laborers led to a new direction in labor struggle. Karl Marx was born on May 5, 1818 at Germany. He received PhD in the year 1841 and started his career in law. His major contributions: Das Kapital 1865, The Holy Family, The German Ideology 1845, The Manifesto of Communist Party 1848 and others. Karl Marx died on March 14, 1883. Even after a century of his death, theories advocated by Marx have remained relevant. Next sociologist is Emile Durkheim, 1858 to 1917. Emile Durkheim is an important sociologist of 19th century of France. He proved that sociology is on par with any other science with his scientific writings. While Auguste Comte is called the father of sociology, Durkheim is called as the father of development of sociology. Durkheim was born in France on 15th April 1858. He belongs to a Jewish family and completed his studies at L'École Normale and started his career as a professor. Major contribution of Durkheim: The Division of Labor in Society 1893, Suicide 1897, The Rules of Sociological Method 1895, The Elementary Reforms of Religious Life 1912 and others. He died at the age of 59. The last sociologist is Max Weber. Max Weber is an unforgettable personality in the field of social sciences. He was one of the most prominent writers and politicians of Germany. Weber had interest in law, economics, religion, art, history, and sociology. He was born at Germany on April 21, 1864, in a Protestant family. Weber joined Heidelberg University of Germany by the age of 18 years and earned his PhD in law. He started his teaching career at Berlin University. He died at the age of 56. Major contribution of Max Weber, The Protestant Ethics and the Spirit of Capitalism, 1904, The City, The Economic and the Society, and others. Here we have completed the early sociologists. In our next video, we will see about the Indian sociologists. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.